Welcome to our introduction videos on VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS, or VSA. This is part 4 of a 5-part series from Software Diversified Services titled Aspects on How VSA Can Help. We will provide an overview focused on each area of VSA's role in system information and event management alert processing for ZOS within your enterprise system. SDS is a global leader in mainframe software and has been named to the Cybersecurity 500 list of the world's hottest and most innovative cybersecurity companies for second quarter of 2017. SDS is an IBM partner in development and an advanced member of IBM Partner World. Colin from SDS will be presenting the many aspects on how VSA can help to introduce VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS. He will cover SMF options and recommendations, viewing events with QRadar, and customization for VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS. In Part 4, Colin will follow up the demo capturing of events on VSA with historical data on QRadar. He'll provide details on the captured events, including the LEEF format. We begin with Part 4, reviewing VSA captured events using QRadar.
Thanks everyone and welcome to our webinar today. I've got QRadar set up at the moment in real time, so I'm going to have to go view some historical information. So we'll go back for the last 15 minutes and then just look at a few of these events. And then after that, I'll go into some of the configuration items on VSA, show you some of the stats and also how you can configure events on VSA. We're on QRadar. Let's go back for the last 15 minutes, and there's a bunch of different options or ways that you can view the information. So this script has been running for a while. We want to maybe go back to probably this one. Hopefully this is going to be good. Yeah, this is a good place to start. And there you can see, remember, the first thing that was done was the bad user ID. And if I go into that, there you can see some of the event name, the user ID, the date and time, and also the LEEF format. This particular user ID, there's the rack route. So remember, you saw that in our recommendation. There's the raw event SMF80, and there you can see the subtype. So this is the information that has got sent to QRadar, and the QRadar guys, you know, there's a lot of stuff you can do on the product, but if this was of importance, you could escalate this event. So let's just choose a few more just to give you a feel for the type of information that is being sent from the mainframe to QRadar. Let's have a look. There's the TSO user logged on, so we can have a look at that particular one. We'll go back to some of the others. There's my user ID BCVR0. That's the message ID. So this looks like a right to operator message that got captured. And there you can see user logged in, and also some of the information about the date and time that this user logged on. Let's get back to the other events, and I'm going to go back let's go back to all of the events contained on page number 2. Just pick out a few of those, and there you can see some of the information. That was the VSAM open, pretty self-explanatory. I believe this is the ICH 408I message. Yeah, access denied. There it is, BCVR0, and that message got written to the system console, and there's some details about it. And again, this was a right to operator message. Then just a few more, just for interest's sake. There's the Unix file system unmount. That was toward the end of the script, giving you a feel. This looks like the SMF type 92s. Remember, this is one we spoke about. There's the user ID and some of the information about this event. If I just pull this down, and now you can see SMF 9205s. The product does allow you to be pretty granular, and I'll show you that when we get to the configuration, where you can remove these different subtypes within the configuration file. So that gives you a feel for the events that is being sent to QRadar in real time.
In Part 5, Colin will show you some of the VSA messages being sent, VSA event list filtering including USS, LEEF, and CEF format, and VSA editing options that include an ISPF interface for VSA. Thank you for watching our series on aspects on how VSA can help for VitalSigns SIM agent for ZOS. If you would like to receive more information on VSA or any other SDS product, you can reach Software Diversified Services at 1-800-443-6183, or you can send us an email at info@sdsusa.com.